Okay, this is a video on how to make the birdhouse. You're going to have six different pieces. You'll have a thicker board with two holes in it, a large hole and a little hole. Actually, it's a large hole and a little hole, and then one that's solid on it. And then you'll have two smaller pieces and two larger pieces. So to begin with, you want to take your two boards, doesn't matter which order they're in, and the two smaller ones. And you want to put glue on the edge of where the little hole is. So the little hole will be on the bottom, and you want to put glue on these two sides. Elmer's glue is good. If you have wood glue, it's even a little better. Get it on nice and thick. And you just have to do the and then you stick that one on there, and the other little one on this side. And then if you can hold it, and then on the back end here, put your glue.
Okay.
So once the bottom is dry, we're going to do the top. Like so, you're going to put a lot of glue, and these pieces are bigger, so they're going to hang over. And so this is the top of the birdhouse, where above the larger hole. So make sure that you're to the edge of that, and just let that sit for a while and dry. Okay, so once you have the other sides glued, you can put the last piece. You want to kind of line it up with everything, and then squeeze everything together. There may be little gaps on the birdhouse, but that's okay. That lets a little air go through so the birdies can breathe while they're inside. This is a project that will take a while to do, so take your time. So the last step is you got these little eye bolts. They're really small. It helps if you use your brush you used to put the paint on. If you put it through the eyelet, and then just hold it on the top, and give it a couple twists. And once it gets started, just twist it in until it gets finger tight. and then you'll feel it. It won't want to go anymore. And just line it up, and the two should be lined up, and then get some fishing line or some string, and you can hang it in a tree. You can either go through both eyelets and make a loop, and that will be it. And you'll have a little bird. And when springtime comes, the birds will have a place to live. Before you hang it up, if you want to, you can paint it. Do whatever you want. Make it yours. Put some stickers on it, and just make it a fun project. Thank you for watching. Bye.